Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix PowerShell has stopping working or not opening in Windows 10 or 11. So it is very easy to fix it or resolve it. So first we need to search CMD and right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now type this command line sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. So wait some few minutes, this scanning process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so type this second command. This command line, just copy and paste it. If you comment, so I will give in description box this command line. So first this process will be complete, so type this command line and press enter, and this both command are be successfully running, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. So after restart, your all problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.